So hey guys, I'm more excited to let you know that Local Leader has been launched on 14th July, and today I just quickly review that what is Local Leader and what are the key benefits and features you will get in this software and how Local Leader will help you and your business as well. So my today goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't waste your money. So stay connected with me at the end. So if you're a little bit in a hurry to get this software, so my purchasable link plus my bonuses is waiting for you in the description box so you can check it out. So let's jump on to the review. So if we talk about what is Local Leader, so Local Leader is a brand new cloud-based lead generation software that allows you to find and close local business leads easily. It works in any country and niche, so all you need to do is select a location and niche, then click search. Local Leader will provide you with hundreds of relevant leads in just a few minutes that you can actually reach out and start a conversation. But that's just the beginning. It doesn't just provide you basic information on your leads like most other lead generation software does. With Local Leader, you are not just getting the name, phone number and email address. Instead of it will offer a comprehensive analysis of every lead so that you can understand how those businesses are operating and what kind of services they are in need. So Local Leader analyzes some key points like business category, social media accounts, websites, Google search and Google map data, Google positions, and also analyze that your leads are advertising or not, are they are using retargeting, and so much more as you can see in this clip. So gathering all of this data usually takes hours of your time per lead. But with Local Leader, you get everything you need to know about your leads in minutes. You will instantly see what they are lacking or could improve on. It has built-in client outreach module for cold messaging to reach and close local clients from one user-friendly dashboard. So with extensive data, you can get the full picture of the business, allowing you to craft the right offers for the right prospect. For this feature, you can reach out to them and offer various services accordingly. This is a really powerful stuff that takes all the hassle off your shoulders. So now just quickly jump on to the official Local Leader information page and just review that what are the key features of Local Leaders. So as you can see, Local Leader provides you intuitive and easy to use dashboard as I've told you, so that you can find new leads and access the previous searches as well. Here you can see detailed information for each lead. You can get essential information about each lead that no other lead finder can provide, as I've told you. Then lead generation search engine you will get to search by keyword and location anywhere in this world. That's a wonderful feature of this. You will get one-click access so that the lead website, FB page, LinkedIn profile, Twitter, Instagram, you can see all of these things in here. You will get built-in leads manager so that you can bookmark your leads and make sure that you are growing your list with the right people. And this software also prepare cold email sender so that you can reach out your leads and turn them into prospects by sending a cold mail from inside this software. So that's the good part of this software. And you will also get DFI cold email templates so you can use by the sales experts to understand what works for the pros while building your email prospecting strategy. You can also build in outreach tracker. Here you can track how your sent emails are performing, opens, no opens, bounce back rates, click from within the one app. So this allows you to optimize your cold emails to perfection. And also in this software you will get commercial and agency rights, and this is our including so you can sell services provided by Local Leader. We all know that everybody needs buyer leads. Every marketer wants leads. So Local Leader is solving that problem, and no matters what type of marketer you are. If you are a local business, video marketer, digital marketer, freelancer, digital local agency, social media expert, consultant, e-commerce store owner, and SEO experts, whatever you are. But the thing is, you need lead prospect and buyer leads for your business. So Local Leader is solving this problem very perfect. So if we quickly jump onto the sales page of the Local Leader, so here you can see the details. So here you can see they just commit that it took only 30 seconds to generate your 500 leads from any micro state. As you can see, plumbers in New York, cafes in Paris, sushi in Tokyo. So as you can see, this is the micro states and such a micro niches as you can see. So it just generates 500 leads of list in just 30 seconds. So that's the great news. So that's the wonderful feature and time saving feature I have seen. So if we come down below, so as we can see this information which is researched by Local Leader. So they said that 32% of brands said that they will be starting or increasing their retail presence this year. But that 31% of the branch said they are expanding their physical retail store footprint this year. So that means brands that moved online previously will be coming back to stores. So this is a huge opportunity for local businesses. So if they are ready, if have the tools to help you to get local businesses ready to profit in this world and to put some money in your pocket too. So that's the good information. So if we come down below, so we can see this. So they said you can start your online lead generation process without no technical mumbo jumbos and spending money on your staff, no researching topic, no expensive data software, and no need to complicated setup, and nothing to download and install on your device. So they are just define this process in 3 easy simple steps. So first step, as you can see, find. So local leader easy to use interface allows you to enter your search terms for any type of businesses in any part of the world, so you can find. Then the second step, qualify, are powerful deep crawling engine. So local leader also have deep crawling engine which utilize nearly 20 data points every time you search to qualify and validate your prospects data to give you accurate pain points that you can sell to. And the third step is send. So local leader will send an email to your targeted audience and you can qualify prospect to offer to provide the service that they are most in need. So that's the full process will be done in a very simple 3 steps. And if we talk about the prices and the licenses of this software, so they have 2 licenses, local leader starter and local leader commercial. So the most recommended license is local leader commercial. They will provide you, which is one-time cost, and in this commercial license you will get 100 searches daily. Deep crawling engine provides you lots of features and also provide you all social media handle information. You will get leads manager, cold email sender, outreach tracker, and you will get also making 6 figure with local leader value of $497, and you will also get offline blueprint social. So social source is a bonus from the local leader, is $1,000 worth bonus which local leader provides you. So that's amazing, and it also provides you training and support system. So it will only cost for $39, and if you apply the coupon code which is leader, then you will get instantly $2 off. So that's a wonderful offer for you. You just get this off. In order to purchase this, I am mentioned my purchasable link in the description box, and if you purchase through me, I also provide you my $1,200 worth premium bonuses, which is very wonderful for you. And if you done any purchase through me, you can just send me your invoice on my Instagram handle and I'll provide you my premium bonuses. So yeah, this is all about my review of local leader. Just go for it and check it out, and don't forget to use my link. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.